Okay, so correction for number 8 now. So number 8 reads, Mr. Joe pays $840 for 6 nights at a hotel. How much does Mr. Joe pay per night? So if he pays $840 for 6 nights, we need to divide by 6 to find out how much he paid for 1 night. Okay, so let's divide. 6 into 8 is 1. 1 6 is 6. Take away that, you'll remain with 2. Bring down the next digit, and now we are dividing in this direction here. 6 into 24 is 4. 4 6s, 24. Take away 24, take away 24 is 0. Bring down the last digit, which is 0. 6 into 0 is 0. Okay, 0 by 6 is 0. And that's it. So he paid $140 per night. So your answer will now be $140. Okay, now we go to number 9. In a bus, there were 48 passengers. If there were 11 men and twice as many women as men, how many children were in the bus? So a question like this, you need to read it about 2 or 3 times. So remember the total amount in the bus, 48 passengers. So these passengers, this 48 represent men, women, and children. They said there were 11 men. So when you're working out a question like this, you need to take out your quantities and tag them, all right, or write what they mean. So men is 11. Twice as many women. So women will be twice as many men. Look here. Look what they said. And twice as many women as men. So twice 11 will be 11 by 2, which is 22. So now we have 11 men, 22 women, and they are asking for how many children were in the bus. So the remainder will be children. So what do? We add women and men. 22 and 11 is 33. And remember, we had 48 at the beginning here. So we take it away to find the remainder. 8 take away 3 is 5. 4 take away 3 is 1. So here we have children will be 15. And if you add back all 15, 22 women and 11 men, you'll get back the total of 48. Alright, let's go to the last question. Chris had 30 bags of plums. Each bag has 24 plums. If he repackages the plums into bags, each holding 12 plums, and sells them for $5 per bag, how much money did he make in sales if all the bags were sold? So this is what you call a multi-step question, where we have to break it apart and take out the numbers to make sense of this question. So Chris has 30 bags of plums. Each bag has 24 plums. So what do we need to do? Multiply 24 by 30, because he is going to take all the plums now and repackage it into smaller bags. So 30 by 24. Alright, shortcut method. You multiply all by 3, you'll get 72, and then put your 0, so it'll be 720. Or if you do it as normal, alright, remember you're multiplying by your tens first. 0 by 2 is 0, 3 2 is 6, 0 by 4 is 0, 3 4 is 12. When you add that, you'll still get the 720. Alright, so he had 720 plums in total. Alright, next part now. We are taking the 720 and repackaging it into bags holding 12. So if I am grouping it into 12s in bags of 12s, it means I need to divide by 12. Why am I dividing by 12? Because this will tell me how many bags he has to sell, how many bags holding 12 in each bag. So 12 timetables. 12 into 7 cannot, which is 0. Then you go to the next 2 digits. 12 into 72, 6, 6, 12, 72. Take away that, you'll get 0. We still have one digit here. Bring it down. 12 into 0 is 0. 0 by 12 is 0. So here he has 60 bags to sell. If all these bags were sold at $5 each, how much money did he make in sales? 0 by 5 is 0. 6, 5, 30. So he made $300 in sales. So I hope that explains that. And now your grammar will be uploaded at 10:15 for you to do that exercise. Bye.